Hello, welcome back to another video. Dragon Gamer 76 here. Not any. Back with another video. We're gonna be playing this car crash game. Also shout out to Stealth Raptor 100 commenting on my video. Because that helps really a lot and tells me what I need to do and what you want on the channel. Thank you again, Stealth Raptor. Also, since I've played this before, so I know a couple things. Hold on, where's the controller? Did my engine like pop out or something? No, I think it broke. What? Oh, I think it like blew up. I think that's what happened. Oh, Toyota Hilux. I'll take a utility trailer. This is a very cool car. I don't remember seeing this and the last time I was probably a new update. Very cool truck. This is like an amazing like crash physics. Not one of those random even Jeep ripoffs. Yo, we are hauling. I know there's a town over here, but I don't know if they moved it. Broke my engine! Broke my engine. Yo, no way! How did it not break his? This is already up, bro. That's crazy. This is one of my friends. I'll hop in. Alright, so we got our friend. I guess he's gonna be our partner for today. Yo! We got a car chase going on. Yo! Yeah, that's sure. Bro got yeeted. Wait, hold on, I'm gonna pick him up. That is some loud taco. Get in! No, we got no. Grandpa got ran over by the truck. Flamingo, the Roblox YouTuber. Maybe we could do a collab, please. I've been watching you for like 5 years now. Please collab. It'd be my dream. I go steal Scar. Go steal Scar. Alright, I think we got him off our tail. Alright, let's get another. We got a creepy Uncle Ben. What is this? Also, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little different. I haven't been playing Roblox recently, so it's a little bit of Roblox. Hope you enjoy it. It's like game lag. Bro, they blew up the school bus. Oh, we just got ran over. Is that like another fee? Alright, bro. That's not cool scamming people. Like, that's not I'm so upset about that. Anyway, once I get 1,000 subscribers, maybe I can start making my press F to pay respects to my Robux, please. A nice car. I can do edits, like short edits, once I figure out how to do that. Can you comment down below how to do short edits? Because I might do some Roblox edits. This is actually really cool. Oh, let me park. I'm gonna try to simple. I want to see if he wants to role play or something. Ah, shoot. Why did I play it like that? Anyway. Wait, hold on. I thought it was long. tried to interact with them. Try the role players. Some bump. I saw this one guy go down here, so maybe it's like a whole like little city down here. Oh, shiver me timbers, I died. Wait. Oh! I have my thing now! Never mind. I take back what I said. You got a whole semi-truck! Actually, we're not even gonna do that. We just gonna do it. Cause we gonna be camping! Let's go! Oh, this isn't blue. Come on, get in your car! I gotta keep moving. I like to get around. Some traffic, bro. How do I use? Oh. I don't know how to use. I'm trying to get past, and this guy is oh, we're gonna go dismantle this down back at the shop thing. You think I should try to ask the roleplay? By the way, it's gonna be like a 30-minute vid, so. I'm recording this while saying that's gonna show up on YouTube as like a 30-minute vid. I forgot. Give me a break. I'm new to YouTube. Kelly. Oh. Got my stuff. This is like a no hesitation. It's like no hesitation. Or we're following this car. Up that much. He's trying to overtake me, I think. Oh. I guess we could like park up and kill the engine. Yeah, I'm not trying to take a chance of that getting me copyrighted. I'm sorry. I gotta get out of here. I can't take a chance to get copyrighted. I'm gonna have to drive a little up from the house because I'm not sure. More time to post. Somewhere else. Sorry guys, I'm just not risking it. Yo! Yo! Yo, we almost just crashed the car. We're just gonna drive carelessly now. Carelessly. No. Man, I need to slow down. I get it, I'm hyped up. Oh, I think we're at spawn. Let me drive into this. Oh my! Oh, sir. Oh, okay. Yeah, that was kind of my fault anyway. Bro! This ain't working. Try to. Yeah, I'm just kidding. This still don't work. This worked. I'll take that. Oh! Slam! I broke the windshield. I slammed the whole. Oh! I'm breaking this car. Breaking this car. Yo, this is so fun. I'm breaking his car! Yeah! Stay away from your car. This is my car now. Actually, yeah, bro. This is my car. Get in. Get in this driver's seat. Bro! I didn't even turn on the car yet. Did I break the door? You know what? No! We breaking the door. Yeah! I'm so glad I bought that. I'm gonna go the other way this time. Acting like this is a felony, bro. Like, yeah. I know this works, but I don't know why this don't work. No, I don't want to trailer. No! How do I shoot? Guys, put in the comments also how do you use this. Beat up my camera stuff. There's no way to hit the camera. There's something, right? Right. You know what? Oh, we breaking the whole car. We broke the whole car. It's whole dismantled. No! Leave me alone, Grab. I'm gonna shoot him with the airsoft pistol. Anyhow. Alright, Dragon Gamer 76. Peace out. Also, as you can see, Flamingo, I still want to collab. I've been a fan for a while. Please, 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 collab with me. It would mean a lot. Thank you.